Hello traders, this is a chart request for G Swift, Game Swift. Overall, this chart looks bullish, no doubt about it. Most small cap projects, they start with a bang, an initial pump, followed by a long period of consolidation or even downward movement. This asset looks alive, looks bullish, it is moving, and it is moving quickly. The only issue I have with this project at the moment from a price action perspective is that it is obviously in a correction period and there is no evidence yet that the correction period is over. How do you how do you know if an asset is at a correction or at an impulse? It's very easy, really. You just need to look at the candlesticks. When you see high volatility, you see um, long wicks to the up and to the downside, and that the candle colors are mixed, green with red, green, red, all this is an indication of a correction. And the issue with corrections is that you know when and how they begin, but you don't know how they end. Let me explain. For example, this looked like a pennant. And if you were bullish on this project, I'm just roughly drawing it right now. If you were bullish on this project, maybe you assumed that this was the breakout, this candle from January 14th, and this breakout didn't materialize and it continued its correction. So you need to be careful with these coins, at least until you have a definite sign that the correction is over. What is the sign that this correction is over? First is to get above the 0.236 fib retracement at 62 cents. Second phase is to get above this wick to the upside at 70 cents. I think that if it will get above 70 cents, there will be no doubt that the correction is over. However, it all depends on your risk appetite and your mentality. Are you a trader or are you an investor? Because if I was an investor, I wouldn't necessarily look for confirmation. I would just buy some at its current position and make a decision about adding to my position according to the price action. But from a trader's perspective, it has to get above 62 cents and 70 cents to give confidence that we are indeed in a bullish correction. Now, in a bullish period, excuse me. How high could this coin go? I think it could go high. This whole GameFi industry made very good gains in the previous bull market, and also it appears to be making some sort of a bull pennant. If we assume that this is a bull pennant, then the target could be, conservatively speaking, let's take a measured move. Conservatively speaking, it could make it to $1.20, which is also the one fib extension. If we take the beginning of the impulse and the correction, the one fib extension, but of course, these things could really moon on you. But there is no way of knowing in advance. Um, Overall, it looks like a good coin. It looks like something that can make it to $1.20 or even more, $1.66. No problem. That's all I have for you on G Swift. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.